I'm going to show how I have learned to use the Rever and the new GoPro feature they have. You go into your profile and you go into gear, garage and gear, and you can add the GoPro. Now, because I've already done the GoPro, I don't want to do it again and confuse things. But you pair it like you would with the GoPro Quick app. And you end up with a little GoPro icon. And if you're going to record an area of video, touch the camera. I can choose one of these that I've already selected, and I can activate it, or I can set up a new one. Say, let's go I want to go through the tunnel. So you start drawing, you circle this area, end drawing, and save it. And now that one is actually active. You can see a little green dot there. I can activate others, so if I happen to know I'm going to be going on one of the other places, I can activate that area too, so that that gets recorded as well. And basically what this does is that now I can hit record. The app will record your route, and if your camera is off, if it's mounted on the bike, when you get to that area, the camera will turn on and start recording for you. I mean, I have two remotes, one for the camera on my desk and one for the camera on my trunk. And I found myself getting to where I'm going with my friends, and I forget to hit the record button. I get so into the ride that I totally forget. This way, it will do it for you, and I think it's a pretty cool new feature. I'm not sure quite why, but the camera is showing it a little off. But basically that's all you do, is you go in to your garage and that's not it, garage and gear, and you can add a new item, and you can add the GoPro. Now, of course, it doesn't have the Insta360 or other cameras. GoPro is very popular, but it really works when it comes to remembering to record a part of the ride. It's really cool.